God asked Hosea to do something that did not make sense. He said, "Go, take to yourself a wife of whoredom." Imagine that. A prophet, called to speak God's word, told to marry a woman who would betray him, who would break his heart. Hosea obeyed. He married Gomer. But soon the burden of his obedience became heavy. His wife left him. She gave her love to others. She shamed his name, she wounded his heart. And yet in that very pain, God was speaking. Hosea's life became a living message. His broken marriage was a mirror of Israel's unfaithfulness to God. Just as Gomer wandered away from Hosea, so the people wandered after idols, after pleasures, after false loves. And just as Hosea's heart broke, so the heart of God grieved for his people. But here is the beauty, my friends. God did not stop there. He said to Hosea, "Go again, lover. Not once, not twice, but again." Hosea bought her back, restored her, loved her, even when she did not deserve it. Oh, what a lesson for us today. Lesson 1. Your pain has purpose. Hosea's tears became his testimony. Your trials are not wasted. God is shaping a message through your suffering that will strengthen others. Lesson 2. Real love is stronger than betrayal. Hosea's love for Gomer was not based on her perfection, but on his commitment. In the same way, God's love for you is not based on your performance, but on his covenant. Lesson 3. God's grace always writes the final chapter. Gomer's unfaithfulness was not the end of her story. And your mistakes, your failures, your scars, these are not the end of your story either. In God's hands, your brokenness can be restored. So, friend, when you feel rejected, abandoned, or unworthy, remember Hosea. Remember that God is the kind of father who runs after prodigals, who heals the unfaithful, who loves the unlovable. Hosea's burden was heavy, yes, but it was not wasted. His suffering revealed the greatest truth of all. God's love never gives up. And if God's love never gave up on Israel, never gave up on Gomer, and never gave up on Hosea, it will never, ever give up on you. So rise up with hope. Carry your burden with faith, because your scars can become stars that shine God's glory, and your pain can be the very platform where God's unfailing love is revealed.